Good day, everyone. Today, I advocating about recycling from grade 10 lecture. Have you ever heard about recycling? Today, we're going to learn why it is important to recycle and how we can all do our part to help environment. When we throw things away in the trash, they usually end up in a landfills. Landfills are big areas where our waste is buried in the ground. This can be harmful to the environment because some waste takes a long time to break down. To recycle, we need to sort out waste in different recycle bins. This helps reduce the amount of waste in the landfills and save natural resources. Plastic goes in one bin, paper in another bin, and glass in a third. Recycle is when we take old materials and turn them into new things. Recycle has many benefits. It makes our ecosystem healthy, reduce emission, save energy, creates jobs, and save money. Remember, even small activities like recycle can make a big difference for our planet. So let's do our part and recycle.